In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a classic American breakfast dish, vegetable and potato hash. I made it when I was with my friends, Nina and Grace. First, if you're like me, start out with some coffee. Haha. You're going to need some potatoes, and you're going to want to dice them into small cubes. Cut horizontally and then vertically, so that all the potatoes are cut into small cubes, about 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Then, take your zucchini and dice it up into even smaller bits and pieces. When you have all of your vegetables chopped, you're going to want to heat up some oil in a pan, preferably with some butter. Then you're going to put all the potatoes in a pan.
So many potatoes.
And cook them until they start browning.
Get them all.
And they are soft on the inside. This is what the potatoes look like while they're cooking. When the potatoes are done, you're going to want to put your zucchini in with the chopped bell pepper and cook that as well. Be sure to cook them separately. If you want, you can also add a fried egg on top. Other toppings might include goat cheese and avocado, like I have here. And then the final step is lemon and chili flakes. This is going to bring the whole dish together. Now I'll review. What you're going to need for this vegetable potato hash recipe is potatoes diced into cubes, a zucchini also diced but into smaller parts, 1 red bell pepper also diced into similar parts like the zucchini, olive oil and butter. You're going to cook the potatoes separate from the vegetables and then add them later together. If you want, you can top your dish with an egg, avocado, and some goat cheese. And don't forget fresh squeezed lemon on top. This is a hearty and nutritious breakfast, providing lots of important vitamins and minerals from the vegetables, while also providing some good carbohydrates from the potatoes. I hope you enjoyed. I know that I did. Yum. What a way to start the morning.